Hi guys, Coach speaking, the author of Forex Broker Killer. Yeah, no, today I'm driving a Datsun Go. Bafala bara support local business, so I'm supporting local business today. But this car is smooth, you know. This car is very smooth. But the only interesting thing about this video, is gonna sir. Let me park properly. At least I can still drive manual, yo. Do I leave it on gear number 1 or reverse or neutral?
I think neutral, like surely.
Neutral.
Oh, hey, mama. Just switch off, I don't know.
Goodbye. Yeah, so right now, yeah, this is what's happening right now. If you can remember, just this past, actually a week ago, I've lost about plus or minus 8,000 pounds last time I remember, and last night I was able to recover. So last night I made about from 78 to 97 is how much, boy? 78 to 97, what's the difference?
From
78,000. Yeah, 78,000 total to 97. Yeah, so that's what I made just last night, you know. And then this is the current situation now. I'm about to exit, you know. Actually today I'm about to exit. So I have only last message for the festive season, you know. I have the last message for you guys in terms of the festive season. We are about to get into 2020, and 2019 haven't been soft. It was just not soft. This year was not soft. It was difficult. Some of us learned to be responsible in life, you know. Otherwise, trust me, I wouldn't be driving a Datsun Go if it was the real me back in the days. But growing up helps sometimes. So going to 2020, if you really want success as much as you claim that you want success, there has to be so many things which needs to change about you. Trust me, the changes are gonna hurt a lot of people. It's not gonna be easy. People will always have something to say, regardless of what you do. Even right now, I'm driving a Datsun Go. Somebody will talk. And right now I'm trading. Somebody will still talk. They will say it's a demo account. They will say we want to see the broker. They will say when you show them, they will say we want to see the withdrawal. When you show them, we want to see your car. When you show them, we want to see your house. When you show them, we want to see your room. It even went to that extent whereby they wanted to see my room. Soon enough, they want to see how I sleep. Soon enough, they want to see who do I sleep with. What do I eat? You know, there are just so many things which you need to do if you are all about proving to people, you know. And those are some of the things which should end in 2020. Especially because of this. The only reason why I'm doing this video, or the only reason why I'm even showing you guys this information, the only reason that I'm doing this video or even showing you guys this information is because of this, Out of all the people who are going to be watching this video, majority of them are angry, some don't care, some have their own agendas. But I know there's only one person who's gonna watch this video and I'm gonna change their life forever, especially in 2020. Just one person out of, you can look at the number of people who watch the video. Only one person's life is gonna change next year because of my words. As much as you see these big numbers here, we all started from the bottom. We all started from somewhere. And trust me, when you start, it's just never easy. You getting to this level whereby you can make this amount of money and still relax. People will always talk, never mind what they say. Especially these broke ones, especially these employees, they will always talk. You will never hear an entrepreneur criticizing another entrepreneur. It's impossible, humanly. For me to get to this level and still relax with such huge amounts of money, it's because I have pain behind my back. I have pain which, if I had to share it with you today, majority of you would collapse. If I share with you my responsibilities, the pain that I have behind my back, majority of you guys will go to ICU. Some will even die immediately. You guys want nice things in life, but you don't want to go through pain. People talking, it's part of the pain, because they don't know anything about you, but they think they know you apparently. They will always talk, like all the time. So in 2020, you must watch your surroundings very, very closely. Very, very closely. I think the reason why we have a new year in life is because God might have seen that, you know, whenever we go on a new year, you must sit down and assess your life. You must sit down and assess your life. Is this how I want my life to be every year? You know, are you not getting tired of saying you inspire me to other people? When are you going to inspire others? Just change your surrounding. Your surrounding has huge impact. Your friends have huge impact. Now I don't have friends. If you see me with ST, he's my cousin. We are into business together. The reason why I'm with him is because we are into business together. Betuel, my manager, he's not my friend. That's what people are missing. We're into business. Point to everyone. The people that I connect with, we become friends after we've reached our goal. Because you guys are taking friendship and then you're putting it up front. You have no, what goals do you have with your friends? Do you even have squad goals? I doubt. All you know is, Ghana, let's go and drink. That's what you know. And when people like us come to inspire you, and then it seems like we are bragging. And we are doing this to help you. It's because we are not happy. Whenever I go to my hometown, I'm probably the only person at my age driving what I drive. It's impressive at first, but at the same time, it's no longer interesting. So I want you guys to improve your lives in 2020. But you must learn to go through pain. Pain is the only way. The only way. You must go through disappointments, pain. Family must turn against you. Friends must turn against you. You must be alone. Unfortunately, that's just what you have to go through. But the most important thing, which you must always remember, is there's nothing you can ever do right by people. Just continue doing what you do best. Because they will always talk regardless. They will talk that I'm driving a Datsun. They won't say anything else. They will find something to criticize. But nonetheless, I hope you have heard my short message for the festive season. And I'm making this message in terms of reaching 2020 and making sure that around this time in 2020, when I'm doing this video, you are inside the house. You came to visit me. You know, I'm tired of having people to ask for e-wallets every year, where else I've given out the tools. You guys are just lazy. You don't know, go through pain. You think this thing came easy. You think it's easy to be me today. It's not. Trust me, it's not easy. But wherever I go, physically, they can feel the mlilo. Trust me, they can feel me. They will talk online, but physically I doubt them. You won't start. You can see that this guy is heavy. And the heaviness which I have with me, it's pain. I have pain here. The pain of success. You guys don't want to go through it. And most of your success is blocked by your surroundings, your friends, your family. Change those people. 12 months down the line, you will come back and thank me later. So nonetheless, all the best. All the best with this festive season. All the best with this festive season. May the Lord bless you. Keep on blessing you. The hardest thing about success or life in general when you've tasted success is the maintenance part of it. Nonetheless, I think the second painful thing after success, after acquiring success, is maintaining it. So even what you do, even the little money that you make with Forex, if you're able to make profit, just make sure that whatever that you do it responsibly. Do not do things to impress the community. The community doesn't care about you. When you fall, they are the first to celebrate. Just make sure that whatever cent that you get in your life, you respect it as if it's your last. Nonetheless, I'm saying this because people who have bonus are going to be behaving like they are millionaires, or they even have money. Then January they come to us for loans. Now January I'm not loaning anyone. I'm telling you this now. January I'm not loaning anyone. We must all be responsible because we are not getting any younger people. You know, we have families to feed. So nonetheless, I'm going to be closing this trade. This is the same account which I lost this past week. If you're a genuine follower, you would know what I'm talking about. So nonetheless, from your boy coach, this is how I close my 2019. It hasn't been the best year. I haven't done the miracles that I'm used to be doing. But nonetheless, I just accept what God provides for me. So nonetheless, Dankim Pilo, Dankim Mali, I will see you guys in 2020. Much love.